guys? I'm Roan May Sara. So, panibagong video na naman yung gagawin natin. So, eto naman guys, hindi naman siya regarding sa Montero Sport, kundi sa expander variants naman tayo. So, unahin na natin to guys, yung nakikita nyong unit sa stockyard namin, yung expander GLX automatic. Same lang siya with GLS kung ano yung interior design, kaya lang, ang kinaibahan niya is hindi siya naka-LED and naka-halogen. So, dito sa unit na to guys, expander GLX automatic, naka 40,000 down payment and 23,000, almost 23,000 monthly amortization. So, tingnan nyo guys, yung kinaibahan lang naman niya sa GLS automatic, naka-halogen headlamps, T-shape pa rin naman siya. So, eto guys, hindi siya daytime running light. Naka-park plate lang siya guys, iilaw. So, maganda pa rin naman siya since yung design din naman niya is same lang naman with the expander or expander cross. So, kung gusto niyo guys na hindi naman electronic parking brake, so yung traditional handbrake, swak na swak sa inyo to guys. Since mid-variant pa rin naman siya na expanders. Tingnan nyo guys, meron din dito fog lamps. Ang mga available colors pala niyan is, ito lang yung nag-iisang expander na merong black talaga. So, yung expander GLX. And meron na rin tong integrated side mirrors. Yung tint din niya guys, 3M din yung kinakabit namin, same with Montero Sport. Ito, naka-oven style pa rin yung air conditioning system na expander. Hindi siya naka-digital compare sa expander GLS. Tapos, iba din yung fabric seat nila. And meron din siyang styling design dito sa mga gilid ng passenger side. So, maganda pa rin siya guys kung naghahanap kayo ng budget and wise na unit. So, pasok na pasok to expander GLX automatic. Kasi, naka 40,000 down payment subject to bank approval. So, kahit seaman ka, OFW na land-based, employed, or business owners, proof of income lang, DTI, contract kung OFW, or virtual assistant, pwede kayo mag-apply dito sa dealership namin. So, papa-approve ko kayo guys. 1 to 2 days lang yung bank approval once na tawagan na kayo ng bangko. So, ilalagay ko na lang din yung mga freebies na makukuha nyo once na ma-approve tayo ng bangko. I-discuss ko naman sa inyo yung mga specifications ng expander GLX automatic. So, yung SRP ni expander GLX automatic nasa 1,128,000 and yung down payment ng expander GLX automatic ay nasa 40,000 down payment and yung monthly amortization is 23,016 subject to bank approval yan guys. Ang engine size ni expander GLX is 1.5 liters and transmission type naman niya is 4-speed automatic transmission. So yung performance naman niya, maximum output or horsepower, 103 horsepower at 6,000 RPM. And yung maximum torque naman niya guys is 141 Newton meter at 4,000 RPM. And yung economy, environment, fuel type, gasoline engine, emission standard, Euro 4, fuel capacity is 45 liters, combined fuel consumption is 16 km per liter. So, depende pa rin yun sa driving habit ni client. So, sa dimensions naman niya, yung tank capacity is 150 liters, yung ground clearance naman ni expander nasa 225 millimeters, and yung safety and security naman niya. So, yung driver's airbag, meron tayong isa. Front passenger's airbag, meron din isa. So, electronic brake distribution, meron na rin siya. ABS and EBD na rin yung expander GLX automatic. And meron ding immobilizer, security alarm, electronic door locks, ISOFIX na rin siya, and new features naman niya, meron din naman siyang cruise control, and wheels metal type niya is alloy 17 inches, dial type control with heater naman yung air conditioning system ni expander. So, ang kinaibahan ni expander GLS is mas malaki yung screen, pero itong GLX automatic, kung yung hanap niyo naman is comfort naman and wise budget for the MPV cars, pwede na yan si expander GLX automatic, since naka 7-inch smartphone link display audio na rin naman siya, and touchscreen with 4 speakers. So, connectivity niya is Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, USB, and radyo. Yung warranty naman ni expander or other variants ng Mitsubishi brands, 3 years or whichever comes first, 100 km. Keyless entry na rin siya, guys. Power steering, power windows na rin, power outlet meron na rin, steering wheel audio control meron na rin yan. So, eto guys, kung gusto niyo ng expander GLX automatic, nandyan sa taas yung contact numbers ko na pwede niyo akong kontakin for inquiries. And kung sakaling interested kayo, mag-submit lang kayo na application via online, and one-day appearance lang kayo dito sa dealership namin once na i-release na lang natin yung unit. So, tingnan lang natin guys, may pahapyaw lang tayo para makita niyo yung difference. Meron din dito sa stocker namin ng expander GLX. Merong green bronze. So, eto naman guys, yung expander GLS automatic namin. So, ang color naman niya is green bronze metallic. So, naka-T-shape din yan. Naka-LED na. So, may DRL, fog lamps, meron din. And, ang kinaibahan niya guys, naka-chrome na yung integrated side mirror. Yung side mirror niya, naka-chrome na, and door handle. Tapos, syempre, ang kinaibahan din is naka-electronic parking brake na siya. Pero konti lang naman difference guys kung gusto niyo mag-avail ng expander GLS. Yung down payment niya nasa 45,000 down payment subject to bank approval. And yung monthly amortization naman ng expander GLS nasa 24,000 monthly amortization. So depende sa banko mag-a-approve sa atin. Naka-digital type na rin yung aircon system niya. And cruise control meron din naman yan. So, ang kinaibahan lang, itong LCD. So, mas malaki lang siya compared dun sa Expander GLX variant.